Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create lists in Klaviyo. So first of all, go to klaviyo.com and then on the left side you can see audience option. Click on there and click on list and segments. From here on the right side you can see create list. Now you have to fill in some details such as name, and you can also give them some tags. So I'll just write 2023 and then create list. Now you can import, upload contacts. For now, I'll just copy, paste CSV and then write some details. And there you go. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.